How to log in to Aruba PEC account. First thing you have to do is head over to any web browser on your device. And once you open up your browser here on a new tab, you're going to have to search for Aruba PEC login. Now, once you've searched for it, hit enter and you will find the first link that is account.aruba.it. Click on it and you'll be taken to the official website for Aruba PEC. Now here you're gonna have to customize for your cookie preferences. So go ahead and select it. And then you'll be directly taken to the login page. Here you're gonna have to enter your PEC mailbox and simply enter your email here. Then just enter your password. And once you have entered your password, you could, if you want to view your password, you can click on this eye icon and you could just click on sign in to simply sign into your account. And if your login credentials are correct, you should be able to sign into your account. And then if you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgotten your password to recover it. You're going to have to provide your email here, and then you'll get a reset link on your email and you should be able to recover your password. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.